Yo, what's poppin', guys? Welcome back to my video game. My name is Christopher Corinthian. Today I have good food for all of you, alright? Everybody can cook. So today I'm gonna teach you how to cook tomato eggs. Okay, in this episode I'm gonna teach you to cook tomato eggs for 3 to 4 persons, alright? So first of all, you are going to have 2 tomatoes, alright? And you are going to just cut it into half. Okay, so once it's half, alright, you can just slice it, alright?
They're vanishing out of your mind like a ghost. Their memories out loud in my head, can't let you go. Say no more, the time and space around us froze. Do you mind that you and I, like black and white? No,
So when the tomatoes have a lot of juice coming up, it means it's nice, alright? It's good to go. Make sure you're going to remove this part, alright? This part. Just slowly slice it off. Alright, and you'll see some small spot right here, small dot right here, right? Okay, so you're gonna cut it off. Basically, this small dot is at the top, at the bottom of the tomato. Alright. Once again, remember, this is for 3 to 4 person dish, so you need to have around 5 eggs or 4 eggs. Alright, so in this video I'm gonna prepare 5 eggs.
no other colors in my life. Kiss me under all these starry flashing lights. All I hear is gray. All I hear is gray. No right or wrong, you say, just gray. Kiss me under all these starry flashing lights, baby. All I hear is gray.
Alright, make sure your frying pan is dry. So just pour the oil inside. Alright. Alright, so just wait for it to be heated up. Then next, pour the eggs inside the frying pan. Right? Make sure you pour out everything. Don't leave anything else inside the bowl. Alright, so next step is you are going to cook. So basically just push, let the yolk flow to the other side so that they will be balanced, right? To pour the eggs inside a plate because we are going to fry the tomato. Alright, right here, just pour them inside it. Alright, make sure the heat is low, alright, not high and not medium, it's low. In this case, you might need to press some of it to let the juice of the tomato flow out, alright? But not too much. after you fry it for 20 seconds, you might need to turn the heat up just a little bit, alright? After that, just pour the eggs inside the bowl, the pan, alright? Just to mix them up. Around 45 seconds, you can put some salt inside, just a little bit, around half a teaspoon, alright, and some, how to say, this is a seasoning powder. So after a while, just put some oyster sauce inside. Okay, that's enough. Don't put so much of oyster sauce. You just need to fry them for just 1 minute and it's all good to go. Alright, once everything is done, you can start to pour this all into the plate.
You were my saving grace in a place of pain. I look at you feeling happy too.
Once you have done, you can eat this thing with rice and with this chili. This is called sambal belacan, if you know. Alright? So thanks a lot for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, share, and comment down below what should I do in the next video, alright? Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. As always, peace.